Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This video is about incredibly tasty cabbage that you can grow at home, in your garden, or on your balcony. Let's talk about growing broccoli. How to grow broccoli from sowing seeds to harvest. I will share my knowledge and give you some tips for you in this video. Broccoli types. Broccoli is a special kind of cabbage. Ordinary types of cabbage are always biennial plants. But broccoli is an annual vegetable. What does it mean? This means that the plant must create seeds within a year. It is in a hurry to leave behind offspring. We use the half-blown flowers of this vegetable for food. What does it mean? This means that a self-respecting gardener must solve the main problem: how to keep broccoli in the bud formation stage and prevent the vegetable from starting to bloom violently and prevent children from being born. Here you need to decide what type and variety of broccoli can be grown in the hardiness zone where you live. I live in zone 5B, so I choose early varieties of broccoli for planting, which have a very short growing season, 60 to 80 days. If I sow broccoli seeds in early March, I will use broccoli in my kitchen in June. Great idea, isn't it? Broccoli can have different head sizes and weights, different ripening times, and even different leaf colors. You can use your own seeds or buy professional seeds. Well, let's get started. I start planting broccoli around the end of February, the beginning of March. For sowing, I use seeds of early ripening varieties and hybrids. For sowing seeds, it is better to use a universal mixture, but it is necessary to control the level of soil acidity. Cabbage does not like acidic soil. The acidity of the soil for sowing broccoli is 6.5 to 7.5. The soil must be neutral. I sow broccoli seeds in small trenches and cover them with a toasted layer of sand to avoid blackleg. Temperature for seed germination: +22 + 25 degrees Celsius, 72 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Cabbage seeds germinate in about 4 to 6 days. First, the cotyledons appear, then, after a week, there are already real broccoli leaves. After germination, the temperature in the room where the seeds are located should be reduced to +18 + 20 degrees Celsius, 64 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. The next stage is picking and planting plants for better growth and the formation of additional thin roots. I prepared 200 milliliters seedling pots where I will plant small broccoli seedlings. After planting, plants should be left in a shaded area for about 24 hours to stop stress. Now I will wait until the broccoli seedlings get stronger and grow roots and leaves, then I will transplant them into open ground. Broccoli is not demanding on soil quality, the plant can grow on poor soils. The main rule is to provide cool weather and a long day. Do not let the broccoli produce flowers intensively, let the vegetable linger longer in the budding stage. This will ensure that the broccoli tastes great and is tender in texture. If you live in hot climates, it's best to choose adaptable varieties to plant that mature quickly and can handle high temperatures. To make broccoli successful in your garden, grow this vegetable from early spring to early summer and then plant it again in late summer. You will harvest in the autumn and enjoy the taste of fresh broccoli until the first frost. How to plant broccoli in open soil, and which broccoli planting patterns to use, I will tell in my next video. I hope this story about broccoli from planting to harvest was interesting. Don't forget to give a thumbs up at the bottom and subscribe to my channel. It is very important for me. Thank you for watching. See you later.